How to strike through text in Adobe Acrobat. First, go to acrobat.adobe.com and sign in if you haven't yet. Click Edit a PDF and upload the file you want to work with. Once your file loads, look for the comment icon in the toolbar at the top. It looks like a speech bubble. Click it to reveal the commenting tools. From the toolbar, click the Strikethrough text tool. It's the one with a T and the line through it. Now, simply click and drag over the text you want to cross out. Boom! The text is struck through and you are good to go. Want to change the color of your line? Click on the Color tab to change the color. Bonus tip: you can add comments or notes to explain why you have struck through something. Just use the comment tool right after. And that's it. Now you know how to easily strike through text in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.